Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add an author box under every post in your WordPress website. Now this is the dashboard of my WordPress website. So let's go to posts and let's open a post from here. So let's click on view on this post and we can see that this is the post, and let's scroll down and here we can see this is where the post ends, and then we have this link over here, and then we have the comments, and we don't have the author info over here. So in this video, I'll show you how to add the author info below all the posts in your WordPress website. Now in my previous video, I showed you how to add an author box to your Blogger website. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can watch that video. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So let's get started. Now we'll be using a plugin for this. So let's go over here to plugins and click on add new. Now let's search for a plugin called Simple Author Box. And here we can see we have this plugin called Simple Author Box. So let's go ahead and click on install now. Once it is installed, just go ahead and click on activate. Alright, the plugin has been activated. Now if you take a look at the left side of this dashboard, here we can see we have a new option called Simple Author. So let's click on Simple Author over here. And here we can see the author box. And if you scroll down, we can see there are a lot of options you can change. Now first of all, let's see whether it is being displayed. So let's open a post and we'll just refresh this page. And here we can see below this post we have this author box displayed over here. Right now we don't have the correct information over here, so we have to fill all the information, but the author box is displayed. So let's go back, and the first thing we will do is we will edit the info. So let's go ahead and click on edit author profile. And here you can see it has opened the WordPress settings, and this is the username that we have logged in with. So here we can see admin. So you can go ahead and add your name over here. So you can just type your first name and your last name. So I'll just add some random name over here, and here you have to set the display name as your name. So let's click on this, and here we have different options we can choose from. So let's choose John Doe, and if you want you can also add a nickname and add that over here. But for now, let's stick with the first and the last name. And let's go ahead and add some info over here. So I'll just add some random text over here. I think that's a lot of text. So let's remove this last sentence. You can also go ahead and use these options over here. You can add list and whatever you want over here. I'll just keep it as it is. And let's go ahead and scroll down. And here we have an option called Custom User Profile Image. And it is by the Simple Author Box plugin. So you can go ahead and upload your image over here. So let's upload an image. Let's check out the media library and let's see whether we have an image. Here we have some images. If you want to upload your own image, you can go ahead and go to upload files and then just drag and drop your files over here, or select files by clicking on this button. But I have some images over here in the media library, so I'll just select this image from here and let's click on update. Alright, the image has been added. Now you can go ahead and add the social media links. So you can go ahead and select any social media from here. So let's select Facebook, and you can add the link of your Facebook page over here. So I'll just type hash for now, and let's click on add new social platform, and we'll also add Instagram, and let's also add Twitter. Right, now let's click on update profile. Now let's go back to the Simple Author Box plugin. Now all the information has been saved to the author profile. So let's go back to the post and let's refresh this page. And here we can see we have the profile image, we have the name of the author, and we have the information over here, and also the social media icons are displayed over here. Now these options over here, edit profile and settings, cannot be viewed by others. So let's open this in an incognito window. And here we can see there's no edit profile or settings displayed over here. So whenever someone lands on this page, they will see this author box right here. Alright, now let's go ahead and make some customizations. So let's go back and let's scroll down, and there are some options over here like manually insert the simple author box. Now if you want to add this author box by yourself, then you can go ahead and turn this on, and then just copy this if you want to add this to your theme file. Or if you want to add this in a post, you can just copy this shortcode and add it to your post. But for now we don't need that, so let's turn this off. And then we have the option called hide the author box if author description is empty. So you can go ahead and play with these settings. You can also show the author email, and when you click on the social media icons, should the visitor be taken to a new tab. So I'll just turn it on. And then you have the option of hiding the social icons on author box, and also hide the author box on archives. So archives are basically the list of categories or something like that. For example, here we can see these are the archives. In here we have the list of all the articles written in May 2021, and in this way we have different archives. There are also archives for categories, tags, and so on. So if you want to hide the author box in that, you can go ahead and turn this on. Alright, next we have the option called appearance. So let's click on that. And here we can see there are a lot of things we can do. We can set the margin top and the margin bottom. Right now we can see that there is no margin top over here. So let's add some margin top. Let's add 32 pixels of margin top. And then you also have the option of adding bottom margin. And then we have the padding. So let's leave it as it is. And then we have the border width. So right now we can see we have 1 pixel of border around the author box. Let's leave it that. And you also have the option of changing the image style. So right now it is square. You can go ahead and change it to a circle. You can also have a rotate effect when we hover over the author avatar. And then there's the option of showing the author website. So you can go ahead and turn this on if you want. And for the social icons, you also have different options. So right now it is just symbols. You can go ahead and change it to colored. And you can also change these options over here, social media icons styles. So you can change it to circle or square. Let's keep it at square. And you also have the option of rotate effect. Let's use that. So if you want, you can go ahead and experiment with these settings. So I'll just click on save settings, and this is how it looks right now. Right, let's go ahead and go to colors. So you can go ahead and change the color of the name of the author. So here we can see it is this blue color right now. You can go ahead and change it to whatever you want. You can just select and select any of these colors from here. And then you also have the border color, the background color, and all these options over here. So just go ahead and add the colors based on your theme. And then we have the typography. So you can go ahead and select any of these from here, and you can change the font family. So here we have a lot of different fonts. So you can select any of these fonts from here, and this is for the author name. And then we have the font family for the author description. So you can change this to whatever you want. And then we have the author name size. So you can change the font size of the author name and the description, and also the social icon size. And then we have the description style. So you can change it to italic if you want. I'll just leave it as normal. And the next thing we have is miscellaneous. And here we have an option called load generated inline style to footer. So you can go ahead and check this out. If you have a plugin that does that, you can go ahead and turn this on. But for now, I'll just leave it as it is. And let's click on save settings. And let's go back to this post, and let's refresh this page. And here we have the author box, and everything looks alright. We have the round author image, and we also have this hover effect, and we also have the social media icons over here, and everything looks alright. Let's open another post and let's see whether it is being displayed. So let's go to posts and let's scroll down, and here also we can see the author box is being displayed. So that's basically how you can easily add an author box to your WordPress posts. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.